Alright guys, check it out. Hey, it's Jeff here of Moonshine Beekeepers. Got our little box the other day. Thanks to Brushy Mountain, man, they really took care of us. Hooked us up here. Let's see what we got. Okay, let's check it out. Alright guys, we finally got her out of there. It's a life cycle chart, the honeybee for the children for the ag fair. We'll get that put up on an easel and where they can check that out. That'll be cool. Alright guys, in addition, we got a fully comprehensive beginner's hive kit that we will be raffling off. If you want a chance to win this kit, give me a shout or holler at any of the club members, the Moonshine Beekeepers. We're in the process of getting some tickets made up and all that type of thing. But it's a really cool kit. It comes with this first lessons in beekeeping booklet. Basic beginner's tools that you'll need. Pretty much everything a person will need to have their first hive is included in this kit. There's a bee brush, hive tool. Here's a DVD on making honey and keeping bees. This is some cards for the agricultural fair that kind of has the photos on the front and some little tidbits of information on the back that you can display, like the images, and then read off the card on the back and it'll tell the details about the images, which that's cool. The kids are going to love that. If you can see that, excellent quality image, and then you got your information on the back. Very cool. Here's a Hatless folding veil, introducer. Assuming in a feeder to supplement sugar water, smoker fuel, pair of gloves, sure this is the smoker. Yep, smoker. What you see here, here's you a single deep brood chamber with 10 frames of plasticell. You got their screen bottom board. Yeah, here's the feeder. Obviously a catalog. Screen bottom board with the mite board, and if you're not familiar with the Brushy products, everything they got is really good quality stuff. one of their brushy inner covers. And there's the top. Telescoping top. Very, very cool. I know one thing, somebody's going to be lucky to win this bad boy here, because that's a nice kit. But anyhow, I'll get it set up, get some pictures of it, and like I said, gang, if y'all want to get you a try at winning this beginner's hive kit, just give me a shout or contact anyone within the Moonshine Beekeepers Association, and we'll get you the tickets. Alright guys, I'll show you that for folks that aren't aware, or you know, are novice with beekeeping equipment, I'll just kind of go through it with you. Here's the bottom board. It's a screen bottom board, and then your brood chamber or your hive body sits on top of that to construct your beehive. But anyway, this is you can do counts of varroa mites with this board, or you can put it in the winter time to kind of tighten the hive up, and you know, closes the bottom off, obviously, as you can see. But yeah, we got your bottom board. And this is a deep hive body here, or brood chamber. And it's got the deep frames, the larger frames. Got an inner cover. And then your top for the hive. So with this gear here, you've got a complete hive ready to go. All you got to do is get bees and you're good to go. They also include a feeder, some smoker fuel, and this is a pair of large gloves. Hatless folding veil, an entrance reducer, and that would go obviously in the entrance to like so. Bee brush, hive tool, and then some literature and a DVD on beekeeping. So if you're the lucky recipient of this kit here, if you win this baby, you can invest you a little bit of money into some bees, add them to your box, and there's your first colony, and you could very easily be the recipient of this. Good luck, everybody, and let us know if you want to get tickets. Alright guys, here's the observation hive that we will have at the Ag Fair, Franklin County Ag Fair in September. But this thing is awesome. We want to thank Brushy Mountain for donating this to our club. It's going to be an awesome tool to utilize for learning and teaching in the community, and we're very blessed to have had them to donate this to our organization. It's very cool. But you got your inserts there. When you're not displaying the bees to the public, you obviously want to have your inserts in to, you know, they like a dark environment, obviously. And now here's the top board. It's got some vents in place. And awesome. Essentially, it's a nucleus hive with a single frame chamber on top with plexiglass on both sides to where you can see the bees. And this is what we'll have in the agri-zoo area of the ag fair for the children. They're going to bring school children in, a few different rotations of, I think 3 different grades. But there's a feeder in there, and it's got room for your frames, and then a frame up top, obviously. But very cool stuff. So come on out in September and check it out. This will probably be have more exposure to the school children in the mornings, but we will have an observation hive for all the children to look at, and we'll be doing a small display in conjunction with some high school students, I believe, are going to have a little production where they talk to the younger children about honeybees. But we're really looking forward to it. It's going to be a cool event.